Hello friends, welcome all of you in our YouTube channel Government Job Alerts. So friends, I have a great news for all of you that Twitter has released recruitment notification of huge vacancies in Twitter department. Yes friends, in this today's video, I am talking about the new recruitment which is rolled out in the Twitter. So the new official recruitment notification of 2023 has been released for this year. Friends, the recruitment of Twitter can be applied from all over India. So the candidates who are interested to join Twitter can apply for this job from all over India. Friends, if you are from any state or district of India, then you can apply directly for this job. Any male and female candidates can apply for this vacancy. So friends, in this today's video, we have brought information about huge recruitments in Twitter for all of you, which is direct recruitment. Friends, if we talk about qualification required to apply for this post, then you are required graduate. If we talk about salary, then about rupees 25,500 to rupees 32,500 rupees will be given per month. Let us give you all the other information directly through the official website. Notification has come from the Twitter. Friends, if we talk about the post, then there is web designer post and many positions available. The important dates of this recruitment will be from 29th August 2023 to 31st December 2023. So you can apply till 12 o'clock in the night of 31st December 2023. You can apply from anywhere of India for this job. The age limit to apply for this job is minimum 18 years and maximum 45 years. Selection process of recruitment of Twitter are computer-based test, physical standard test, physical efficiency test, documents verification or will be done through medical examination. Eligible candidates who are interested can apply online by visiting the official website of the Twitter portal between 29 August 2023 to 31st December 2023. So friends, if you like the information given by us, then like the video, share it with your friends as much as possible, so that they also get information and can updates of information related to daily Sarkari job. For getting information about daily government jobs, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the subscription bell so that you can get the notification of the next video first. If you want to apply for this job, when application link of Twitter in the description box, go there and apply from our official website.